These metrics help us to understand how fast as we can restore system and how much data we can afford to lose during unexpected problems. Recovery time, or RTO, the maximum acceptable amount of time it should take to restore data or system after a disruption. Why it matters? Help help plan how fast system needs to be up running to avoid major business impact. Recovery point objectives, or RPO. The maximum amount of data loss an organization can tolerate, measured in time. Losing data from the last 4 hours unacceptable. Why it matters guides how frequency backups should be made. Backup success rate. The percentage of backup complete successfully without error. Why it matters. Ensure that data is actually being captured and can be relied on in an emergency. Mean time to recovery, or MTTR. The average time it takes to fully restore system or data after a failure. Why it matters. Show operational efficiency and help identify bottleneck in recovery processes. Data integrity. Ensuring recovered data is complete, accurate, and uncorrupted. Why it matters. A backup that restores corrupted or incomplete data isn't helpful. Frequency of backups. How often backups are taken, hourly, daily, weekly, and why it's matter. Influences both RPO and overall data protection strategy. Test recovery success rate. The success rate is periodic recovery drills or test restores. Why it matters confirm that recovery procedures work when real data loss occurs. Cost of downtime. Financial impact of system downtime per hour or per day. Why it matters. Help prioritize recovery, effort, and investment in backup solution. Conclusion. Knowing the right metrics for data recovery is key to keeping your information safe by taking an eye on things like how quickly you can recover data RTO, how much data you can afford to lose RPO, and whether backups actually works. You can make sure you prepared for unexpected data loss. Regularly testing and monitoring these measures help you to get system back up faster, reduce downtime, and protect what matters most. It short. Understanding this matrix turns data recovery from a stressful scramble into a manageable, reliable process. That's all. Thank you.